Hi there. In this video, we're going to be talking about PDF monitoring. This is a slightly advanced video where you will learn to edit PDF monitors and track links associated to PDF documents and even view the diff of changes between two PDF documents that you are tracking. For this video, I have chosen the FOMC calendar page as the example. To give you a bit of context, the FOMC is short for Federal Open Market Committee. This is a very important component of the US Federal Reserve, and it's responsible for regulating market operations and formulating monetary policies in the US. They meet about every 8 weeks to convene upon very important monetary decisions, and they release their minutes of meeting and their report from the meeting as a PDF document and a HTML document. Our interest for the video is to track the PDF documents that they have released. So for this part of the video, we will talk about setting up a web page monitor to track new PDFs that might get announced on this page. To explain further, our intention is to set up a monitor to track this particular table on the calendar page to get alerts whenever new links are populated in this section. For this, let's set up a web page monitor. Let's copy the URL of the calendar page and head over to the Distill watch list where we add a monitor, click on web page and paste the URL of the calendar page where new PDFs get populated. Let's go ahead and hit go. The visual selector loads up the calendar page where we will make a selection to track only the 2023 calendar. So the visual selector is activated. Let me begin making my selections. So I'll expand my selector to pick up the table for the year of 2023. You can see that my selection has done exactly what I intended to, and I'll go ahead and save my selection here. The way this monitor is going to work is that whenever a new minutes of meeting or a report is added by the FOMC for the other months in the year, I will get a notification whenever it gets populated because Distill picks it up as a change. So let me call it calendars and information. You can even rename this monitor. Let's go ahead and save this web page monitor. This is an important monitor because it's giving me updates about new PDF documents that might get added on the page. Let's say that this particular monitor worked and it announced that FOMC has put up a report for the month of March. The next step that I would follow is to go ahead and set up a PDF monitor for the month of March. For this, I will go ahead and click on the PDF associated to the month of March and copy this URL. I'll go ahead to my Distill watch list and click on add monitor. Here I have the option called PDF here, which will help me set up a PDF monitor for this particular URL where the PDF sits. This sets up a full page monitor for the particular PDF. By default, PDF monitors will run on Distill servers. Let me rename this monitor to March MOM FOMC and save this monitor. When you run the monitor, you will see a preview of the entire PDF appear here. Now for the next part of the video, we are going to learn how to update the PDF monitor whenever a PDF URL changes. To explain further, my monitor which I set up initially to track the 2023 calendar section gives me an alert that now the month of May has recorded a particular report and the PDF has been announced by the FOMC. This monitor will give me an alert. So I will navigate to the page to find that the May month has also an associated PDF. So I will click on this PDF and copy this URL, and I will update my PDF monitor with the new May PDF. For this, I will click on the caret icon, click on edit options, and here replace the URL of the month of March with the month of the May PDF and save. Here I will call this monitor March versus May MOM and save it. My intention here is to see the differences between the reports recorded in the month of March versus the PDF that has been compared for the month of May. Let's go ahead and run this monitor. Let's wait while it performs the check. Now that this PDF monitor has been updated with a new URL for the PDF document, you can see that it has recorded changes because you can see some of the text is highlighted in green. This indicates that there is a difference of 39 new additions and 41 deletions between the March PDF versus the May PDF. There is a detailed tutorial video on how you can explore the diff between the monitor at different points in time. I will leave a link to it in the description below so that you understand how you can compare the differences that the monitor has tracked between the two PDFs. To collapse the view of the preview, just click on view history and it should be able to collapse the view of this change that you are viewing. In case you want to track the links associated with the PDF document, we have another video for it where you can track the href attribute associated to the text that you want to monitor. This is also a pretty handy thing to do when you feel that the web page that you're tracking constantly updates the PDF document and changes its URL. However, the text that it displays remains the same. In this case, we advise you to set up a web page monitor which tracks the URL associated to those particular PDF links. I will leave a link to that video tutorial where you can track the associated links to text in the description below. I hope that this video gave you a holistic view of how you can monitor PDFs and how you can edit your PDF monitor and perform more advanced actions based on your use case.